If your WORX battery isn't charging, it can be frustrating, especially when you need your tool ready to go and the charger just isn't responding. You might plug it in and see no lights, blinking errors, or the battery simply doesn't gain any charge. This kind of issue is often caused by simple things like poor contact, temperature conditions, or charger related problems, rather than a completely dead battery. Since WORX batteries use built in protection systems, they may refuse to charge if something isn't within safe limits. The tricky part is figuring out what exactly is causing it, but the good thing is that most of these problems can be fixed with a few quick checks. Once you go through the right steps, your battery will often start charging normally again. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the charger is properly plugged in and powered. Step 2. Remove and reinsert the battery firmly into the charger. Step 3. Clean the battery contacts and charger terminals gently. Step 4. Check that the battery is not too hot or too cold before charging. Step 5. Try a different outlet or a compatible charger to rule out faults. Step 6. If it still won't charge, consider battery replacement or service check.